Look at this bird. The light is on over there. See it? And they're facing the lights. So I think they like, I think this is their energy. Look, you see it? That's the car that have a light. Light is on, and then there's a lights over there. See? They're not moving. Oh, they turn off the lights, still there. Oh, they like lights. See, they're thinking that the light is still there. Oh, look at this. There's a light over there. That's why they're facing the lights over there again. See? They're going over there because there's a light over there. See? They are moving over there. Look the way they move.